That boy took my wallet! Stop him!
No! I found it! I was bringing it to the officer!
Serper, you accused this boy loudly, in front of everyone, without knowing the truth. That was not fair to him.
I am sorry. I just wanted my wallet back. I should not have shouted like that.
I was trying to return it. I was trying to help.
Just stay still for a moment, son.
But this morning, everything was peaceful.
Ben, are you ready? I am ready, Mom. Is Dad coming too?
You've asked that 3 times already, Ben.
Because I am excited 3 times.
Fair enough, little bro.
Good morning, everyone. Are you excited for the parade?
Very excited.
What will we see today?
There will be marching bands, floats, and flags. Many, many flags.
What is a float?
A float is a big, decorated car.
What does independence mean?
Independence means freedom. Our country became free on this day, a long time ago. Freedom means you can choose what to do.
That's right. And today, some brave veterans will march too.
Yeah.
I want to see them march.
I feel excited.
Now eat your breakfast, both of you. Then we walk to town. I'll meet you all outside, full. Just grabbing my earbuds.
Look at all the flags. Every house has one. Today is Independence Day. Everyone celebrates together. Even the dogs are celebrating.
I'll find you guys after the band plays, okay? My friends are right over there.
Stay where we can see you, Emily.
I will, promise.
There are so many people. I have never seen this many.
It is a big celebration. The whole town comes. Stay close to us, Ben. Hold my hand.
Mom, I need the toilet.
There are public toilets near the park. I will take you. Come.
Thank you. I drank too much juice at breakfast.
I told you to slow down.
Mom, wait. There is something on the ground.
What is it, Ben? It is a wallet. There is money inside. A lot of money. That belongs to someone. Someone lost it and does not know.
Look, Mom. There is a photo, too. What does the photo show?
An old woman. She is smiling. She looks kind. Her eyes are soft.
That photo must be very precious to whoever owns it. Precious means very special and important. We must return it. Right now.
Excuse me, officer.
Yes, young man? What can I do for you?
I found this wallet on the ground. Someone lost it. I want to give it back.
That boy took my wallet! Stop him!
No! I found it! I was bringing it to the officer!
He has my wallet in my hands! Look! Arrest him!
Is that true, son? Did you take this wallet from this man?
No! I found it on the ground, by the barrier. I was walking to give it to you.
We need to ask you some questions before we can be sure. Come with us, please.
Mom, I did not do anything wrong. I promise.
Officers! Please, Barry, my son is honest.
What is happening, Ben?
Dad, I found a wallet. I tried to return it. And now everyone thinks.
I heard shouting. Oh, what happened? Are you okay?
Emily, everyone thinks I stole something. But I found it. I promise I found it.
I believe you. I know you would never do that.
Please, I really need the toilet. I have needed to go for a while.
The toilet?
I found the wallet when I was walking there. I chose to return it first. But now I really need to go.
Go. The toilets are just behind our tent. I will wait right outside. Then we will talk more, calmly.
I will go with him. I got here as fast as I could. Are you okay?
I am now. You're here.
Wait! Wait, please! Please!
Sir, can I help you?
That boy, let him go. I do not know him. But I know my wallet when I see it. Do you know this boy, sir?
No, I have never met him. But that is my wallet in your hand.
I dropped it near the barrier. I did not notice until my granddaughter asked for ice cream and I reached for my money. I was coming to find an officer myself, Plorg. Then I saw the crowd around this boy.
This is your wallet, sir? You're certain? Then the boy was telling the truth the whole time.
Serper, you accused this boy loudly, in front of everyone, without knowing the truth. That was not fair to him.
I am sorry. I just wanted my wallet back. I should not have shouted like that.
Ben, I am sorry. It is our job to ask questions and make sure everyone is safe. But today, you protected something very important too.
Protect means keep people safe.
And today, you did that for a stranger.
Ben, come here, please.
Do you see this woman?
Yes. She has a kind smile.
This is my wife. Her name was Martha. She passed away 3 years ago.
I am so sorry, Mr. Wilson.
This photo is worth more than the money. This is the only photo I carry of her. She loved the 4th of July more than any other day. We came to this very parade together for 40 years, Ben. 40 years.
40 years is a very long time.
It is. Now I bring her photo instead, so some part of her is still here with me. If I had lost this photo today, I would have lost her twice. Do you understand what I mean?
Yes, I understand. I understand.
You saved something I cannot replace, Ben. I could earn more money.
I feel something warm in my chest.
That is kindness, returning to you.
Ben, I want to tell you something. Not many people return wallets, especially children. What you did today was brave, and it was kind.
Yes. You chose the wallet over the toilet. You chose honesty over comfort, even when it was hard.
It felt right in my heart.
That is exactly how you know it was the right choice. Ben, thank you for reminding all of us today. There are good people in this world.
Thank you too, both of you.
I'm kind of proud of you, little brother. Don't let it go to your head, though.
Too late. If you are enjoying this story, please like the video and subscribe. It helps us make more peaceful English stories for you. Thank you, everyone.
Ben, I want to give you something.
Mr. Wilson, you do not have to.
I want to. Please, let me. I wore this pin on my uniform many years ago. I was a soldier. I fought for this country.
For freedom.
For days exactly like today.
You were a soldier? Like the veterans in the parade?
Just like them, a long time ago now.
I cannot take this. It looks too precious.
Precious things are meant to be shared, Ben, not locked away. You shared your honesty with a stranger. I would like to share this pin with you.
Every time you see it, remember this. One honest boy can change a whole day.
I will remember. I promise.
Grandpa, can I give Ben something too?
Of course, sweetheart.
This is for you. Because you are nice. Thank you. You are nice too. Me too.
Definitely keeping this one.
The sky is getting dark.
The fireworks will start soon.
Mr. Wilson, do you watch fireworks every year?
Every year for 40 years. First with Martha beside me, then just me and my granddaughter.
And this year?
With new friends too.
We are friends?
You saved my Martha today, Ben. We are more than friends now. We are family.
I feel happy and peaceful.
Everything feels calm now, doesn't it?
Look, golden means bright, like gold. Mr. Wilson, what color did Martha like best?
The blue ones. She always said they looked like stars falling.
She is watching, Mr. Wilson. I am sure of it.
Thank you, Ben, for everything today.
You're kind of a hero today, you know?
I just did what felt right.
That's what heroes always say.
Thank you for the pin. And for the story about Martha. That was the best day.
Even with the difficult part.
The difficult part made the rest more special. Strange, but true.
You were very brave today, Ben.
I just wanted to return the wallet. That's all I wanted. What does accuse mean, exactly?
Accuse means to say someone did something wrong and pee, even when they did not.
The man accused me. But Mr. Wilson told everyone the truth.
The truth always comes out, Ben. Sometimes slowly, but it comes.
I feel proud and peaceful and a little tired all at once.
It has been a very long day. Race you home?
You always win.
Then it'll be easy for me.
Thank you for traveling with us today. If you enjoyed this calm family story, please like the video, subscribe, and join us again for more peaceful English stories.
Happy Independence Day, everyone.
Me too.